Hi guys, welcome to WebSensePro. Welcome to another Shopify tutorial video. And in this video, I'll show you guys how you can display your variant images as color swatches. So after implementing this tutorial, you'll have your product page look like this. So basically these are colors which are showing up as variant images. So that's the red color, that's the black color, and that's the pink color which I have in the product backend. That's the product backend. And as you can see, I have red, black, and pink color in my color swatches. And these are the variant images which I have selected, which are showing up as variant images in my color swatches. And in order to implement this tutorial, you will not need any additional app, any monthly retainer fee for an additional app. I am trying my best to kill all the apps from the Shopify. Just joking. So in this video, I'll just provide you a piece of code and snippet which you will apply, and the color swatches with images will show up. So if you want to learn, don't forget to comment in the video below, thumbs up icon, and also subscribe the channel. So without further ado, let's start implementing that. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the online store, and from there, first I'm going to install the Fresh Dawn theme. And it's not only for the Dawn theme, so basically you can use any free themes like Refresh, Sense, and Spotlight, Craft. All of these free themes have same code base, so my code will support all of them, and you will be able to display your variant images on your color swatches. Okay, now let's install the fresh version. So I'm installing the Fresh Dawn 12.0.0 in order to show you guys how you can add this piece of code, which I'm going to provide that in blog post, which you can find in the YouTube video description. Okay, that's installed. The Fresh Dawn 12.0.0 has been installed. Now I'm going to hit publish. Click on publish again. And here we go. My Fresh Dawn theme has been installed. And now if I go to product page and hit refresh, so that's how the default product page looks like with the circles of color swatches. Basically, these are not color swatches. It's just the button type format. So let's go to themes, and from these three small dots, click on that and then click on edit code. Before editing the code, make sure to duplicate your theme and have a backup of your theme, because I'm getting a lot of comment that my code broke the theme and this happened, that happened, and I am to blame for that. Guys, I'm just creating these videos to help you guys for free. And if you guys are blaming me on the comments that my code broke you, so you should have the backup of your theme before applying the code, right? Okay, now I'm going to apply the code. And for that, click on edit code. And from the search bar here, search for variant. And I'm going to apply my code on product-variant-options.liquid. And in here, scroll down, and you will need to replace the code from line number 62 to line number 65. The line number might be a little different, because if you have already installed some apps or done some customization, then the line number might be a little different. But as you can see that on my screen, that's the code which you will be replacing. And now I'm going to paste the code. So that's the code which you will need to add. Don't worry about the code. You will find that code in the YouTube video description. There is a link for the blog post where you can easily copy and paste the code. The addition to this code is this here. So that's the additional part in the code. So basically what's it gonna do? It will check that if the product variant has the image. So if you will not select the image from the product variants, it will not show up. And it will also check that the variant option name is color, right? So it will only display on color. Make sure to check the spelling of color, because in regions the color is COLOUR, and we are targeting this code for the color which is COLOR. So make sure to check that. And now I'm just going to copy this code and replace it from here. And here we go. Now the code has been placed, and now I'm going to hit save. And that's it, guys. That's all you have to do in order to see your color swatches as product variant images. And you'll have to wait like a minute or two after saving the file, and then go to the product page and hit refresh. And as you can see that, guys, on my screen, that these color swatches look really cool, and it will definitely increase the attractiveness and the layout of your product page, which will get you more sales. And one few stuff which I would like to discuss here is that you can change the width of the circle and the height from this line. So that's the line. So that's basically an inline CSS where I have added the image, and that's the option to adjust the height and width. And let's try adjusting it. Now let's increase it to 60 pixel. So you can basically adjust it as per your own theme preferences. So if you want the circle to be a little bigger, you can do that as well. Now you can see the circle are looking a little bit bigger than before, right? So again, it depends on your theme, whatever theme you're using, whatever color scheme and whatever size suits you, you can adjust that from the code easily. It's not a rocket science. It's just written in CSS, and you can simply change the width and height. And that's it, guys. That's it for today's tip and trick for the Shopify product page. If you want to learn more about the Shopify, don't forget to comment in the video below. Enable the bell icon so you guys can be notified whenever I create a new video. Until next video, have a great day.